Hi everyone, I'm Naveen. I'm currently pursuing my postgraduate MCA in SRMIST. SRMIST provides all the facilities and platforms which are needed for us. For the last 2 years, doing MCA in SRMIST gives the best learning experience through the academics and the knowledge and skills which are required for the placements which are added in the course curriculum. SRMIST provides opportunities for internships, hackathons, and events like TechZoom, TechArt, TechUtserve, which enhances the overall learning experience. When it comes to placement training, where everyone thinks of getting placed in a dream companies, where SRMIST provides good placement trainings, which helps to upskill the knowledge technically. And the training platform which has mock tests, which helps to clear the all rounds of interview and gives me a basic understanding of interview process. There are ample of companies which are coming for placements, and I got opportunity to showcase my skills which I had been learned for the past 2 years. And I finally got placed in a dream company of them with an handsome of package which is possible for me through the constant support of placement cell throughout the placement process. I am proud to be SRMI. Thank you.